This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Woodard. Signature 2 model. Open floor plan with 2 stories. Foyer and loft area, dining room, open kitchen fit for a home chef, featuring high-quality cabinetry with huge island, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Large master suite with walk-in closet. Master bath has large tiled shower and quartz vanity top. Spacious laundry room, ceiling fans in master and family room. Laminate wood floors throughout first floor and carpet throughout second floor. Pictures are of a similar home, not all features are standard. Award-winning builder with over 30 years of experience in the home building business. All houses built by this builder come with home warranty. Large house, almost